Hello everyone, I am Batu, process software specialist for American Workflows. Today, we are diving deep into the AI America P3M Pharmaceutical Industry Edition, the one-stop solution that's transforming the manufacturing landscape. Let's get started. AI America P3M's platform offers a modular approach, allowing you to choose from a range of features including energy management, visualization, alarms, machine health, and more. Tailor the platform to your specific needs and unlock exceptional efficiency in your manufacturing process. Let's walk through our setup. We have created a few factories, each with designated areas. And within these areas, we establish several production lines that receives real-time sensor data. This setup is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of AI America P3M's capabilities. Our dashboard empowers you to monitor the production process with precision. You have the flexibility to create as many dashboards as needed to cater to your specific requirements. Within these dashboards, we have organized several categories. These include OEE, packaging line timeline comparison, packaging line workstation, packaging line classic simple OEE timeline, packaging line OEE overview, packaging line, packaging line stop, registration, energy. Maintain peak efficiency with our machine health dashboard. Monitor the health of your machines. Prevent downtime and extend the life of your assets. It's a crucial part of our proactive maintenance strategy. Our energy monitoring setup is the key to sustainable manufacturing. Monitor power consumption and CO2 emissions in real time, identifying opportunities to reduce your carbon footprint and save on cost. Lastly, we have maintenance, work order overview, moving on to the planner. This section allows you to set up production schedules, create products, and manage batches with ease. Full control is in your hands to optimize your manufacturing schedule. Additionally, I'd like to highlight our sensor customization capabilities. You can create sensors with names of your choosing, and we have an API feature that allows you to generate data for these sensors. That wraps up our overview of the system. If you're interested in further discussions or would like to explore the system customization options, please reach out to us. Thank you.